So you're saying that you genuinely feel that Indian athletes have the potential to go on to win Olympic gold medals, and the final mile can be bridged by professional
Absolutely,
support?
I'm sure, definitely, the most of the sports persons, not just whom we have selected, but a lot of others also have the talent. And if the funds are made available to them at the right time, I think that is the most crucial thing. Making funds available to the right people at the right time, I think will make the difference, because I know for sure that they have the talent, and together we can definitely produce Olympic champions.
And do you think the involvement of of corporate support with more organizations like Olympic Gold Quest sport will become much more professional?
Yes, I think we can already see that happening. The focus is slowly shifting away from cricket, which is a good thing, because Olympic sports also needs support. I'm not saying that cricket should not get the kind of publicity which it gets, but at the same time, if other Olympic sports can also get similar kind of media and publicity, I think that will do a lot of good for the Olympic sports. And we cannot be depending on the government for all the support. It's important that corporates come in, and with the recent Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games, with athletes doing well, corporates have realized that there is a potential, and if there are credible organizations, and if we can convince the corporates that the funds will be utilized for the right purpose and for the athletes, I see a bright future, and more corporates getting involved, which is a must for Indian sports to develop.